I'm Joel Eichmann, founder and managing director of Green Elephant Biotech, a startup based in Germany. We're making bioreactors for adherent cells that are more scalable and more easy to handle and more sustainable than all the solutions that are on the market. Sustainability has not been a big consideration because there have been massive issues to be solved on manufacturability, on safety, on efficiency, on the basic science. As we are maturing as a industry, these questions become more and more important. I think it's important to consider sustainability already now, because when you have a product that is at an early stage today and will be commercial maybe in 6 or 7 or even more years, people will be looking at your technology, you're manufacturing it, but also at the equipment you're using and on the sustainability aspects that will be relevant at this time. So you want to be choosing equipment that is state of the art in a few years, but also in a sustainability angle, you want to be state of the art in a few years. The most important aspect is the carbon footprint, because we know we're losing a lot of single-use plastics, and due to the regulatory aspects, they need to go into incineration. So yes, it will be burned, the plastic goes as CO2 into the atmosphere, so reducing the overall carbon footprint of a process is the most relevant aspect in terms of sustainability. Next year in this industry, we will still be talking about manufacturability a lot. Scalability, scaling out, scaling up, depending on the applications, will be a main topic. We're still on the beginnings of manufacturability of cell and gene therapies, and sensor technology and scalability will be keeping us awake for quite a while.